Good morning, students. Welcome to the Political Science online class. Dear students, today we are going to learn Political Science chapter number 1, Post World War Political Developments, part 2. So, let's study about the international relations through foreign policy. Now, you must be aware about the foreign policy you had learned in Standard 8. Also, you will be learning it in your next chapter. Till then, let's understand what is foreign policy. Every nation has policies about its internal dealings as also about its relations with other nations. So every nation frames its own foreign policy related to how internally it is going to deal with each other as well as along with the nations, the foreign countries. Such a policy is called as a foreign policy. Let's have a look at the background. Now, the world in which we live today has been shaped through many events and developments. Hence, we need to go back to history in order to understand today's world. We know that the two world wars were fought in the last century. These were the most important events in the world in that century. The world completely changed because of them. New currents of thought emerged. Let us understand what else happened due to these most dangerous world wars. The First World War was fought between 1914 and 1918. So, dear students, this war was started in the year 1914 and it continued till 1918. So, how many years? Yes, 5 years. So there were various major countries took part in this war. Among them, Europe had a very central place in the international or global system at that time. The war caused a tremendous loss of life and property. The countries which joined the war suffered tremendous economic losses. Even the countries which did not join the war were impacted by the war. The economies of the victorious as well as the losing countries collapsed. Now, who are the countries involved in the First World War? So, it was the Allied powers, another side, Central powers. At the Allied powers, Britain, France, Russia, Italy, America. And at the Central powers, there were Germany, Austria, Hungary, Ottoman Empire, Bulgaria. So these were the nations who were involved in the First World War. Now, as we have seen a lot of loss of life and property in the First World War, in order to stop this, it should not carry forward. So, there were certain measures to be taken care of. So, this will not result further. So, what were the measures? Let's see first. An international organization called the League of Nations was established and it became an important platform. So, dear students, can you tell me why did it become an important platform? Yes, to solve international disputes and carry out negotiations between the nations. And one more thing, the main responsibility of the League of Nations was to avoid the wars which were occurred at that time. Then, after the First World War, major changes came about in Europe and outside Europe. For example, earlier empires in Europe collapsed and new nations came into being. Many European countries had their colonies in the continents of Africa and Asia. The latter, we find the movements for independence started in these countries. So, all these countries wanted to be independent and they started to work accordingly. So, These movements challenged the hegemony of the European nations. Hegemony means the dominance, the leadership of European nations. So, as the other countries wanted to be independent and peace, and the work of the League of Nations was to maintain all these things, but unfortunately, it did not work. It proved to be failure at preventing war. So, autocratic regimes came up in Germany, Italy, Spain, and other countries. And all these developments culminated in the Second World War. So, dear children, have a look on the given picture that Indian soldiers on a battlefield in the First World War. Okay, children, so far now we have learned about interdependence, international relation through foreign policy, background of it, and First World War and its effect, and also the countries involved in it. In the next session, we will be learning about Second World War in detail. Till then, goodbye, stay home, stay healthy. Thank you.